How to go live stream on Discord Mobile. Full guide? Here's how to do it. First, open the Discord app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're signed in to your Discord account. Next, open the server where you want to stream. Tap on a voice channel that you want to join. Tap on General. Then tap Join Voice. Once you're connected to the voice channel, you'll see the voice controls at the bottom of your screen. Now, swipe up on the control panel if needed, or tap the Share Your Screen icon. Tap Start Now or Start Broadcast when the confirmation message appears. If Discord asks for screen recording or microphone permissions, simply allow them to continue. Your screen will now be live, and everyone in the voice channel will be able to watch your stream. To stop streaming, return to the Discord app and tap Stop Sharing, or use the screen recording controls on your phone. If you don't see the screen share option, make sure you've joined a voice channel first and that you're using the latest version of the Discord app. And that's it. That's how you can go live and share your screen on Discord using your mobile device. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.